Yeah, so I'm not sure. I just have to call attention to this. The website is the.com. That's THE.com. And is someone who is someone who has set up quite a few websites. Every single domain out there is already taken. Spoiler alert. Whatever website you want, it's already taken. How the heck did you get the.com?
You know, it's kind of a serendipitous story. It actually found us. Clark and I were obsessed with this old building. The company started in Boulder, Colorado, and we were obsessed with this old building because we're from right near New Haven, Connecticut, and it's all old buildings out there. There's nothing that old right downtown Pearl Street in Boulder. And so there was this one building, and we wanted it really bad. And it took us forever to find the owner. He finally agreed to lease it to us. He's like, I don't understand why you want this thing. It's an old auto body shop. It hasn't been used since '82. It's full of trash, but sure, you guys can rent it from me. And so we rented it from him. We cleaned it out. We cleaned it up. And finally he came by and said, I don't understand why you guys wanted this so bad. What do you even do in here? And we were like, this is the idea. This is the vision. And he pretty much goes, it would be perfect for that. This domain name that I have.
No.
And it's the .com.
No way.
Yep. And so we worked together with him. He became a good friend and investor in the company, and kind of the rest is history. After he let us buy it from him, and off to the races.
Super cool. I just like it is, when I think about like the hardest website name to get, that's probably it.
It is the most commonly used word in the English language. So it's probably the hardest URL to get. I mean, it's not a 2-letter URL,
Fair.
But
thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.